Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a quick luxury unboxing for you. I picked up a little something from Hermès and I asked you guys on Instagram and the majority of you guys said you wanted to see what I got. I'm here to share what I picked up from Hermès. So let's get into the video. So I stopped by my Hermès boutique just last week. I had this item on my wish list for quite a bit, and I actually had a credit with Hermès that I've been needing to schedule an appointment to go in and use. I just decided to go ahead and book an appointment, and I went in and met with a sales associate and did a little browsing, and I ended up picking up this item that's been on my wish list forever. So let's just get into the unboxing. Here's the beautiful orange bag, and here is the box. So let's just open it up. So let's take the lid off together. So here it is. At the box are two dust bags. Guys are at all familiar with Hermès, you probably know what this is, but these are two dust bags. We go ahead and open it up. So let's start with the larger dust bag. Yes, it's a belt strap, and here is the buckle. I'll put the full name below, but this is the Hermès Mini Constance belt kit, and I have it in the black leather with the Étoupe or taupe color. So it's black on one side, taupe on the other. So it is a reversible leather belt. This is a 24 milliliter. They have like a larger, thicker belt, and then they have a thinner one. So this is like the medium one. The way the belt works is like you just loop the belt into the buckle, and there's a little device, like a little place there where you kind of pop it into place, and that's the buckle. Bring in the belt loop, and that's it. What I do appreciate about this belt is that you get this really seamless look. Let me take, this does have plastic on it, so let me take that plastic off now that we're on. Look how gorgeous that is. And obviously I went for the palladium buckle. I'm not into gold hardware, so obviously I would have went with the silver tone hardware, which is palladium. Again, if you want to wear it on the other side, you turn it around and it's the same thing. Loop this through. And look how beautiful this color is. It looks like, again, it's a taupe color, but I thought this was such a great neutral. I thought this was a better neutral over a brown. Has like almost like a grayish undertone to it. With all of the neutrals that I wear, I thought that was the excellent combo for me. So the black and then the taupe color. This is my new Hermès Mini Constance belt kit. So the cool thing about the belt kits, once you have a belt kit and own one of the buckles, you can then buy additional straps to match with your buckle, but you can't buy additional buckles on its own. The only way you can get a buckle is if you buy an entire kit. So that's just something to note. Honestly, I've always wanted the Constance belt. I'm actually very happy that I went with the mini size, because I think it just leads to having more of a casual, it looks like just a little understated and something that you can, and just simple and something I could wear daily. So I'm really excited about that, and I think this was just like the perfect addition to my collection. So this is brand new, so I can't give you guys a full review, but I did want to share it with you guys and unbox it to share. I had a credit with Hermès based off I needed a repair for an item that I had that I actually didn't wear anymore. So I took it in for repair, and they had to send it off to France, and then they called me to tell me that the item couldn't be repaired, and so they were issuing me a credit for the value of the item. And that's why I had a credit with Hermès. that's one thing that I appreciate with these high-end brands, as they really stick by their quality, and if something does go wrong or needs to be repaired, they will do that. Unfortunately, in this case, the item I had could not be repaired and it was just deemed defective. And it was kind of perfect because it was an item I didn't wear anymore. So it was like, I thought to myself, do I repurchase the same item or do I buy something that I've been having on my wish list? So I opted to go for something new and pick up the mini Constance belt, which I'm super excited about. I'm sure you guys will see me styling this up on Instagram, so make sure you follow me and check me out on Instagram so you can see how I style this new piece. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.